Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Gomphrena. The flower looks like plastic flower, so the texture is really good. It's not that soft, it's very resilient plant. I have bought plants that were uprooted, and then I just had them in a tub of water, and then I planted them overnight, and only 2 of them survived. The rest of them did not survive. I have no idea why. And if you look at the leaves, they have got a nice texture as well. It's a furry kind of a leaf. It's really nice, and the flowers last for such a long time. It's a blessing to have a plant like this. It's a really resilient plant. Like I said, it needs water at least once every other day, and nothing more. I have just fertilized it once in like 4 months, but still it flowers most of the time. I've taken some cuttings. You can see that at the nodes. If you try to prune it, it gives you more flowers. So I've cut it at the nodes, and then I've taken off all the leaves. And these flowers, if you just leave it on the plant, they turn into seeds, and you can have your new plants from those seeds. So it's very easy to propagate as well. So I've cut down all the leaves here, and then I'm gonna dry them upside down. I'm gonna tie them as a bunch. You'll have really pretty dried flowers, and they won't lose their color as well. So that's an added advantage. And you can hang them upside down so that the stems remain long. So these are another kind of Gomphrena that I had before, and that's for you to look at it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed.